Welcome to Slide Egg. Let me show you how to insert an Excel file into a PowerPoint presentation. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the Insert tab, and on the right side, you'll find the Object option. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up right in the middle of your slide. You'll see two options here, Create New and Create from File. Choose Create from File and then click the Browse button. Since I've already downloaded the Excel sheet, I'll select it now and click OK. The Excel file gets inserted into the slide, and you'll notice an option on the right side that says Display as Icon. If you check this box, the file will show as an icon instead of the content. You can even customize the icon. To do that, click Change Icon. A panel with different icons will appear. I'll pick the first one and click OK. Now the icon is added to the slide, and you can adjust its size and position however you like. If you need to edit the Excel sheet, it's simple, just double-click the icon, and the Excel file will open. You can make any changes, and they'll automatically update. And that's all it takes. It's such a quick and easy process. Thank you for watching.